Hello everybody, welcome to my cooking show. Today we're going to be making the best brownies in the whole world. First we have to get out a bowl. Now let's add our ingredients. First add 1/2 cup of melted butter. Then add 1 cup of sugar. Now add 2 eggs. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Be very careful. Now stir very well. Next, we're gonna add the dry ingredients. Put in 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. 1/2 cup of flour. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Next, mix it until there's no lumps. Next, we're going to pour the batter in our baking dish. Make sure your oven is preheated at 350 degrees. Next, you need to lightly grease your baking dish. Next, we're going to pour the batter in our baking dish. Big boy. Next, spread around evenly. Next, sprinkle the brownies with chocolate chips. Now bake it in the oven 20 to 25 minutes. Now that our brownies are done and have cooled down, it's time for a taste test.
Well, thanks for watching our video of the best brownies in the world. William, you did a great job. I think it's time for you to have a taste of your brownies.
Okay.
Just take a big old bite. So yummy? Yeah, they are good. Here are a couple tips you might want to try at home. You can add a teaspoon of espresso powder if you like a little bit of a coffee flavor to your brownies. Also, you can double the batch to fit in a 9x13. Some people like to put a little frosting on top. They're pretty versatile, but we love them just the way they are. Nice, soft, fudgy, and delicious. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment. We'll see you around.